So this time when I say go, they'll both be on together, okay? So do you want to watch his face?
Yeah.
And it's going to be on in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Okay. You're okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6. It's your voice. You hear your voice? Okay. Family members. I want to hear them talking.
Mommy. Emma. Hi, Mommy.
How do you feel to witness this?
Oh, it cracks. I get cracked right over it.
There you go.
It's beeping.
So now technically your device is on. Can you tell? Oh, that's exciting. Here, you can put it down for a second. Just get used to the sound. What does it sound like? Do you want to grab some tissue?
Oh, Mommy, you're meant to cry.
Can you hear me? And you hear your voice? Does your voice sound pretty loud?
No, not really.
Well, that's good.
My laughter sounds loud.
Yeah, you'll get used to all of that over time. Do you want to hear your husband say something?